Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all okay. Bit of a different video today. If you followed my video where I unboxed a mystery box of home care cleaning supplies from Minky, you know that I mentioned Mrs. Hinch. So today I'm taking Mrs. Hinch. She's famous on Instagram. She's the new queen of clean. She's got near enough 2 million subscribers, followers, and all she's been doing is posting cleaning videos on Instagram. Any hacks that she knows, she posts them on there. Any tips, like B&M shopping hauls, things like that. All she does is she posts it on Instagram, and people are going mad over it. She is the most loveliest woman. Well, she comes across as lovely anyway. I don't know her personally. Her name's Sophie. She's got the most gorgeous dog. She's got a book coming out soon, next month I think. I'll be linking all of her information below, and I'm just going to be like imitating what she does on a daily basis. So if that takes your fancy, carry on watching. So let's get into the video. I've made it to the cleaning aisle, having a browse to see what they got. Oh, are they soda crystals? Oh, they're not soda crystals, baking soda. For £1, I think it's the same, so I'm going to pick up some of them. They've got some of these Lenore like smelly beads, so but for £4.99 I think I'm going to get the cheaper ones at, or how much are they? £1.99. They do the same job. Put them in little sachets as well and put them in your like sock drawer and stuff like that. Great, it makes everything smell pretty. I've got some Zaflora. So this mould spray, Cool Rock, one's £1.99 and one's £2.99. I've not seen this one before, but one's a cleaner and one's a remover. But as I'm a cheap queen, I'm going to go for the £1.99 one and give it a go. So B&M are selling VIP. It's a spray for your toilets, and it comes in 2 smell like scents. For $3.99. Oh wait, $2.49? No. $3.99, that's quite expensive because the bottle is so tiny. You can get an air freshener for like 99p. Home bargains, I've got the Dishmatic 1 handle 6 refills for £2.89, and I bought mine from Poundland, and you only get 2 refills. A kettle descaler drop-in bag for 79p. Might give that a go, never seen them before. I've got these, but they're 99p, so I've only got a kettle that looks like it's for like coffee machines and stuff, so I think I'll stick to this. So I know Mrs. Hinch uses this. This is the foam aroma. You put it down the toilet and it foams up. So for £1.99, I'm going to have one. They've got these tablets as well, but they don't look that fun, so I'm going to give these a miss. They're £1.99 though. So time to do my washing. I've already filled it up. I am going to be using these Daz Pods. Does she have a name for her washing machine? I'm not too sure, but let's call it Wendy the washing machine. So I'm going to take one of these, if I can open it. Pop it in the top. And then I'm going to use some of this Morning Fresh to make it smell pretty. 1 cap, which goes in that one. Pop it closed, turn it on, and then there you go, and work. Is it working? Oh, there you go. So that's done. So my washing has finished. I've just came to put it away, well, dry it. But I bought this from Sainsbury's. It's a 3-tier, like, clothes horse. And this is 14 meters high. Is that it? 14, I don't know. It's got 14 there, I don't know what that means. But it was £16, reduced to £10. So, cha-ching! Bargain! So, it wouldn't be a Mrs. Hinch video if I wasn't sitting on the carpet showing you all my goodies I bought from the shops. So, got this Dr. Magic oven and grill cleaner. Not tried this one before, it's heavy duty, so I'll give that a go. Then I got some Glade spray. This is the spiced apple and cinnamon. I love this spray, so I'm just gonna give it a spray now. Anything that's like warm and cinnamony smell, I love. Gonna give these a go in a minute. This is the house kitchen kettle like descaler thingy. Got my Gregory's from Pound Stretchers. £1 these was, so not too shabby. Picked up some of the Star Drops white vinegar spray. I know she uses this one, so I'm happy to get some of the same products. This was actually in the clearance. It's you shake it on the floor and then you like leave it 5 minutes and vacuum it up. So I thought I'd give that a go. Good old Saflora. Can't go wrong with a bit of Saflora. So I got bouquet and warm cinnamon. Told you I love this scent. So they was £1 each. Then from Poundland, I got these Dishmatic refills and the Dishmatic thingy, but I wish I bought them from B&M because as you've seen, they was much cheaper in there. Then good old Mr. Sheen multi-purpose service spray. Hello Cliff, nice to see ya. Got some Cliff Sif. Then you got some Flash all-purpose spray. This was 99p. Big bottle for 99p. Then you got some traditional Glade shake and vac. I love this scent. It's great when it's like still in the vacuum and you use it a couple of days later and it puts the scent back in the room. So you're seeing me that I picked up this. This is the blue foam aroma. Can't remember what price it was, but I'm sure you're seeing it in the clip. Some mold spray, cleaner. So I thought I'd give it a go. Haven't got like a lot of damp, but got some mould creeping in now and then. Then some baking soda. This was 99p. So you can use it quite a lot. You can use it on your mattress, down sinks, on dishes, like to get rid of stubborn stains. So give it a go. And then these booster swirly thingies. So these smell amazing. I can't wait to like get them about. So that was my haul. Oh, cannot forget a good old basket. This was £1.99. Quite a big basket. They had it in black and white. And I picked up the white one. How big is that? You can just see the difference. Like all of that fitted in there. So I am quite happy with this basket. So thumbs up all around.
Oh, shake and vac from Glade is here. It's all you have to do. Do the shake and vac and put the freshness back. Do the shake and vac and put the freshness back. When your carpet smells fresh, your room does too. Every time you vacuum, remember what to do. Do the shake and vac and put the freshness back. Do the shake and vac and put the freshness back. When your carpet smells fresh, your room does too. Every time you vacuum, remember what to do. Do the shake and vac and put the freshness back. Shake and vac, the carpet and room freshener.
So guys, I found this amazing person on Facebook. They are MDX Creative Crafts. I know this person. She is amazing. She makes amazing like cleaning baskets like this. This is my hashtag hinched cleaning basket. I've got all my cleaning supplies in here. This is for my daily one. How amazing is that? This is only £5, I think it was. And then they've got these Saflora spray bottles. This was £3. And then I've got a silver one as well. You don't just have to have like Saflora on it. You can literally have anything on there. And I've got a wipes basket. It could be for your cleaning wipes, but I've got it for my makeup wipes, which I'm going to keep on my shelves there. But I just think it is so nice. So please, if you've got a second, check this out. MDX Creative Crafts. I'm going to link them down below. I also got this glass from there as well. It is Squad Goals, and it is the Hocus Pocus themed ones. Can you see like you've got like the different hairstyles on there, and it's got like orange glitter at the bottom, and they are dishwasher safe as well. How amazing is this? I got this one for £3, I think it was. I got it in October, so I'm not too sure how much it was, but yes, amazing. So I got my hashtag hinched basket, my wipes basket, and I've got two Saflora spray bottles. So I'm going to have one in my kitchen and one in my bathroom. So please, I'll link it all down below. Take a sec to go down there, say hello, and see all their wonderful products. They've got a huge range of Disney products as well. So let me know if you see anything you like, and I'm going to check it out for myself.
My starch collar and my high top shoes and my hair piled high up on my head. I went to lose a jolly hour on the trolley and lost my heart instead. With his light brown derby and his bright green tie, he was quite the handsomest of men. I started to yen, so I counted to 10, then I counted to 10 again. Clang, clang, clang went the trolley. Ding, ding, ding went the bell. Zing, zing, zing went my heartstrings from the moment I...
So I'm going to give this a go, see if it actually works. There's not much, what do you call it, is it scalar? There's not much scalar in there, as you can see, but there's a bit. So you've got to fill this half, so fill it, filled. Then it says boil. It popped, so take it off the electric, and it says you just gotta pop this bag in there. Shall we see together what it does? Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, it's fizzing. Ooh, I can't get my head over it. Okay, well, it says to leave for 10 minutes. So, pop you there, and I'll be back in a bit. So it's been 10 minutes. The bag is stopped fizzing. Was there anything in it? Oh, the bag's actually empty. It must have dissolved. So I'm just going to empty it and get back to you. So, emptied it out, and it looks more shiny. I suppose if you had more limescale in there, or whatever you call it, it works, but I'm happy with that. 79p, made my kettle a bit cleaner, so thumbs up.
Let's get down to business to clean the dishes. These are so dirty. How will I begin? I've got my soap and sponge to scrub, and I won't let Mom down. These dishes are gonna look brand new. Rinse and sponge and scrub.
So, this is my Narnia. Narnia is underneath your sink. Pretty much where you keep everything that you want to keep things, really. So, let's get inside. Double doors. So, start from this side. This is where I keep all of the main products. I've got my oven cleaner, floor cleaner, table cleaner, sieve cleaner, all the other cleaners. I've got some spare cloths and stuff in the back of the basket. They're in baskets, so they're easy enough to get in and out. Then you've got a few bits and bobs here. Actually, I'm going to do this with you in a minute. I've got my Febreze, some sponges, and then my hashtag HINCH basket. Don't forget, I'll be linking it down below. MDX Creative Crafts. Then, yeah, so this is what I use for my daily cleaning. Everything I use on a daily basis really goes in this one, so it's easy enough to get in and out. I've got my toilet cleaner, my end cloth, dish scour, like scrubbing brush, my end cloth, all that jazz in that one. Then bottom shelf, this one I use for like my dishwasher. I've got my dishwasher tablets, like pods. I've got my smelly pouring in things, whatever you call that. Conditioner, yeah, why did I take so long to think of that word? I've got some spare powder at the back with the laundry pellets as well. Then I've got the mould spray, I've got my Saflora sprays for the kitchen services, and cannot forget the good old Saflora itself. So yes, that is my Narnia, and Narnia says hello, so let's put Narnia to bed. Now I've finished washing up, another thing Mrs. Hinch does is she likes to clean out the plug holes. So I'm taking some baking soda, pour some down there and pour some down there, roughly about a third of a cup. Then I'm going to take some white vinegar, same amounts, and then just watch it foam up, and I'm going to leave it. But these I'm just going to pop on top because the metal takes odours as well, so the chemicals will get rid of the odours as well. So plug holes, I'm going to use my budget Vera to clean the bathroom floor. So it's just one of the spray ones. 1, 2 spray. 1, 2 spray. Well, I'm doing the outro, and I know it was a bit of a weird video. I've actually enjoyed doing this. And also, please don't forget to check out MDX Creative Crafts. I'll be linking it down below. She's an amazing woman. She makes amazing products, and you won't be disappointed. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching it. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to leave me loads of comments, give me a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all in the next video. So it's a goodbye from me, Matt, and a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.